Hey guys, welcome to Data Structure and Algorithm. I'm Ripan Datta. Now I'm going to show you how to write code on Fibonacci number using Recursive. So let's get started. Alright, we know in mathematics Fibonacci number is a series of numbers where number is started from 1, then the second number is also 1, and third number is from the previous two number. That means we have to sum up the previous two number, which is 1 plus 1, that means 2. Then next one should be 2 plus 1, that means 3. The next one should be 3 plus 2, that means 5. Then 5 plus 3, that means 8, and so on. Now I want to write code on recursive way, so that means this is our base case, 1 and 1. That means f1 and f2. Let's say this is fn equal this one. So f1 is 1, f2 is 1, and f3 is 2. So f1 and f2 both are our base case. So we need to write a code. So recursive method or recursive way is a way, in that case the function call itself. That means the function is called by itself until the base case is satisfied. So in this case compiler will use a stack frame. So this is one of the stack. So in this case, let's say we want to find out n equal 5. So n equal 5. In this case, our base case is until n equal 1 or 2, because if n equal 1 on the time, the Fibonacci number is 1, and while n equal 2 on the time, Fibonacci number is also 1. So that means fn should be, that means f5 should be f4 plus f3. Now we need to call for f4 and f3. So there should be another stack frame which is for f4. That means n equal 4. So f4 equal f3 plus f2. So and it will create another stack frame for f3. It means n equal 3. So f3 equal f2 plus f1. Okay, so that means f1 and f2 equal what? 1 plus 1. That means what? That means 2. So f3 equal 2. It will return to here. That means f3 equal 2. Then we know f2 equal, it will call again another stack frame which is this one, where n equal 2. Then that means if n equal 2, it will return 1. So f2 equal 1. So it will come here. That means this one. So f4 equal 2 plus f3 equal 2. So f2 equal 1. That means 2 plus 1 3. So this is f4. And this f4 comes here, which is 3. That means this one. Now we can use a arrow sign that will be more clear. So it will create this, and it will create can we say it will create this stack frame. So now we need to call for F3. So it will create another stack frame where n equal 3. So F3 equal F2 plus F1, which is, F2 equal 1 and F1 equal also 1. That means 2. So it will return 2. So it will come here plus 2. So F5 equal 5. Now you can see this is F1, 2, 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So F5 equal 5. So this is the recursive way, and these all are stack frames. Now let's get started with Eclipse. Right, we can take a class, let's say Fibonacci recursive. Okay, so private static integer Fibo integer n. First we need to set base case. If n equal 1 or n equal 2, then it will return 1. Otherwise, else we need to call for n minus 1 plus Fibo n minus 2. Yes, we need to add return statement. Alright, that means this is this one, F5 equal F4 plus F3. So if this is n equal 5, that means this is n minus 1, that means 4 plus n minus 2, that means 3, F3. Or you can eliminate this else statement. So this is our recursive Fibonacci series. Now print it out. Let's say I want to print for 5. 5 is 5 and 6 is 8. You can see 6 is also 8. Yes, this one. So this is the recursive way how to write code on, in a recursive way. Or you can debug it, then it will be better. F11, F5 and press F6, F5. So n equal 5, n equal 6. So now n equal for 5, now n equal for 4, n equal for 3, and n equal for 2. So it will return 1. Then n equal for 3, 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now n equal for 3 again, n equal for 2. That means all the stack frames are running one after another, like this way. For first of all F4, then it will create F3 and F2. That means for F3, then it will create another stack frame for F2. F2 will return 1, F1 will return 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Then come back here, then it will run for 2, F2, it will return 1, that means 3. It will come back here, then F4 is calculated. Now a step frame for F3, which is F this one. On the time F3 equal F2 plus F1, then it will get another step frame for F2, which will return 1, and another step frame for F1, which will return 1. That means 1 plus 1, which is 2. That means 5. So this is for 5. If this is 6, that will be 8. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to write code in dynamic way. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video. And if possible, please make a positive comment in the comment box. Thank you.